Hey guys, welcome to my new video. As you can see, I already have a tons of coins in DramaBox. Before I made this tutorial, I already tested a tons of websites, which has never worked for me. But this one is 100% legit. You just need to follow few easy steps, and you will get the free coins. It works on both device Android and iOS too, so no need to worry about it. Open your mobile browser and type this website. To start the process, type your DramaBox username, select which device are you using, Android or iOS, then select how much coins do you want, and simply just tap the Generate button to add the coins. We are so close. You need to finish the verification, which needs to download 2 mobile applications from the list, run each for 30 seconds, or register, sign up to complete the verification, and you got your coins almost instantly.